Hello guys. Not sure whether I've done this before. This isn't chicken Kiev. Not sure if I've done it before, so I'm going to show you it anyway. Whether if I have. It's been a long time ago if I did. What I did is, this is chicken Kiev, 100% plant based. Just show you it uncooked. There it is. It's fresh in the pack, not frozen. Yeah, I've got mushy peas and chips. Homemade chips and mushy peas, how golden they are. Mmm. Put my salt and vinegar on. Oh, sorry, I haven't got any salt on. So, put my salt and vinegar on now. Shouldn't be putting salt on really because I do have high blood pressure. Doctor's always telling me. But I'll get around to it someday. So what I did is my chips, mushy peas, and this isn't chicken Kiev. Taste the chip. Have to bear with me while I cook this, show you. So I cut it open. You can see how thick it is. It's nice and thick. And there's the garlic butter inside, melted. It's quite thick, isn't it? Quite impressive actually how thick it is. Bloody seagulls outside, I think they can smell my food getting cooked. Chicken garlic. I swallowed that some down the wrong hole. There it is anyway. This isn't chicken Kiev. Chips and mushy peas. That mouthful of just that didn't go down the right way. Okay guys, see you later.